Hi, my name is Hassan and I have made my own CC language inspired by Gen Z slang. You can use no vibe instead of void, you can use void instead of integer. I use Gen Z keywords instead of professional programming keywords like void, int, float, character, bool, if, else if. I use Gen Z keywords like void instead of float, you can use vi.be instead of character, you can use chill instead of bool, you can use mood instead of if, you can use ify instead of else if, you can use elfie. Let me show you my scanner code. Here is my scanner code. See, these are my keywords like no vibe, chill, mood, chills. Chills refers to string. If you wanna use string, you can use chills as a data type, and if you wanna use a character, if you wanna initialize a character, you can use chill. So welcome refers to a main. Instead of writing int main at the start of the for starting your code, you can use vibe welcome. Vibe for int and welcome for main. And instead of true, you do use in bool. Instead of true, you can use yip. Instead of false, you can use nah. In same way for printf, instead of printf you can use show, and instead of taking input like cin or scanf, you can use get. These are my keywords. I just use a special operator. In C++, there is an operator for increment, like if a equal to 1, and if you write a plus plus, it will increment a by 1, and the new value of a will be 2. Yes, but I use a special operator where here I use a special operator. First you write identifier, then you write an operator, and then you write a number, how much you want to increment. If you can use this operator like a plus plus 3, the new value of a will be 1 plus 3 4, the new value of a will be 4. And if you write a plus plus 5, the new value of a will be 1 plus 5 will be 6. That's it. These are my operators: plus plus, minus minus, is equal to, and all are my operator. I just use the same C++ operators, no change in them. And these are my punctuations, or and semicolon, and brackets, and different etc. And these are my numbers. Number rules are also the same as C++. You just use 1 2 3 up to million. You can use any number. These are the rules of my string. String can be of any type. You can use it. And these are for my characters, for single character. And these are for my identifier rules are also the same. You can start it with the small character like a b c, and also with the capital character like from a to z, and also from m dash. And so you can't start any identifier with a number from 0 to 9 or anything else. And these are my error logs. Let's first run this code. Let me show you my code. Where is my code? Yes, this is my code. Instead of writing int main, I use void welcome, and chills refer to a string. Chills song name equal to summer vibes, and vibe counter vibe is int, and vi.be is my float number. And in same way I write this code. There are two errors in code. First one is this: I write extra comma hyphen in, and the second error is there. There are two errors in my code, which will save in the error log file. Let run this code. Flex scanner, and CC, and yes, all of these are my tokens. How many tokens will it generate? Number of tokens are not defined. Here you can see, yes, these are my all tokens saved in my tokens file, and all of my errors saved in my error file. These two errors, I just say you above, there are two errors in this line and in this line over there. You can see this is my code, and let's run it like scanner. I just write y, it's a keyword. If I write vi dot ve, it's a float keyword, again keyword. If I write a plus plus, a is a keyword and operator is a plus plus. But if I use my special operator, which one is a plus plus 3, it's a special operator, and it's a special operator. In same way, if I use this is error, this is error. You must use you must end this with double commas. It will show you error because you don't write any string. If you write a character between this, now you can see it's a character. If you write string like string, it will give error because you can't write string in a single comma. You have to write it in double inverted commas. 1 minute. Compiler. That's it. That's from my side. Thank you very much.